analytics beginner using Excel. Before you could go into Excel, you must understand what this course is all about. This course will set practical objectives to analyze data, clean data to improve quality using Excel, model, visualize, and create interactive dashboards using Excel. And we can't get into this without understanding what analytics is all about. Analytics analytics is simply trying to get information from data to make decision. And have you ever wondered how you go to supermarket and you see there are some items given for discounts, some items are in combos. How do you just choose those items? It's not a random decision. It's a decision backed by data. Or you are scrolling through your Instagram, your Facebook, your TikTok, and suddenly you discover that some posts are shown repeatedly. You already call them analytics. There are reasons, there are metrics that controls how that shows. We'll be diving into all those metrics, all those analytics using Excel. So I won't bore you with any textbook definition and just tell you analytics is just getting data and extracting information from that data to use for quality decision making. So then analytical analytics. We have four types of analytics. It might not come in this arrangement, but we have descriptive analytics, we have diagnostic analytics, we have the predictive analytics, and we have the prescriptive analytics. And descriptive, from the word describe, this is asking questions and about what happened. It's more of going through the past. What happened in the past? What happened? What happened? Then we have diagnostic. Diagnostic is talking about why did this happen? The why. Then predict now saying, okay, now we've known what happened, we've known why it happened. What will likely happen if we continue this way, or what will likely happen if we stop this? What will likely happen? It's talking about the future, what will happen in the future. And the list, or the last but not the list, is prescriptive. Now we've known what happened, why it happened, and what's likely to happen. Then keep now saying what can be done, what should be done. This is recommending actions that should be done, which are backed by facts and figures. So in data analytics, we're not just profiling solutions and decisions, we are offering ideas based on numbers, based on figures already analyzed. So even then, before we can do all this analysis, you must understand there are steps to it. There are steps to data analysis. There are steps to it. Now, we have data collection. Don't forget I say analysis is about what? About extracting information from a data. So you must first of all collect data, then the analysis itself. Now, mind you, data analysis is not complete until the decision is made. So that's where the third one, insight gathering and decision making. So we go to the processes. Now the processes, let's start for the first one. We have the preparation, modeling, analysis, the 3Ds, dashboard, documentation, distribution. The process of data analytics has these key steps that must be taken before arriving at the final destination, which is the dashboard and the documentation, where you are making insights, where you are making recommendations. And from the beginning, you have to prepare. Preparation involves all the steps taken to ensure the data is at the right quality, that is, it is complete, it is consistent, it is reliable, to make that data in the right quality for it to be used for analysis. You can't just take any data and analyze without first preparing data. So the data must be prepared. So preparation of data comprises of many steps, which includes setting of the objective, which includes making measures, which includes cleaning, the most common one, cleaning. and the likes. So we have modeling. Now your data is a very large source, like it's Airtable. So models are prototables that are created from your large tables that are used to analyze a problem statement. Models are smaller tables like prototypes, or I don't use program, I use the smaller tables that are used to analyze that means they are the tables created to give answers to the problems created by the that we want to solve. Then we move to analysis. Analysis is simply the arrangement, the transformation, the sorting, the calculations we do to solve the problem, to create the insight. Then after doing this, it is not complete without presentation. So the presentation comes in using visuals, your charts, pictures. That is where session comes in. Translation is using charts to represent our insights, using charts to show what we have analyzed. And the combination of all these charts is what is called dashboards. What is called dashboard? Dashboard is a summary, is a pictorial summary of your analysis. Then you have documentations where you write your report and how you are distributing your analysis.